Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we will show you how to add new payment method on Airbnb. We will also include links for our ultimate Airbnb packing list in the description below. To start, open the website airbnb.com. Then click on the profile logo at the upper right corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Next, on this page, you will see an option for Payments and Payouts. Click on Payments and Payouts. Under Payments and Payouts, you will see a section for payment methods. Here you will see all your saved payment methods. Below is a button that says Add a Payment Method. Click on Add Payment Method. On the fields provided, enter all the necessary information, such as the card number, expiration date of the card, CVV, and zip code. After entering all the necessary information, click on Done. That's how you add a new payment method on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.